All right. Good morning, everyone. We are going to start off this live. I haven't made any. I haven't marked up my charts, so let me do that pretty quick. Let's do that pretty quick. We have 7 minutes before the market opens. Um, yeah, let's do that pretty quick. You see that the market moved about 1265 here. $587. I don't know why I'm a little nervous. Mondays always makes me nervous. So what I like to do is get the average price for the past 3 days. I look for 1.4 price targets. So we see that there is a gap right here. Do some price targets, $1.42 above each. So 620. Okay. Sorry, I'm in focus mode right now. So um oh yeah, let me put some music. Let me put some music on just to get some chill vibes in the background. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I'm move these prices to the upside. $1.40. Okay, beast mode. Let's get in beast mode. Let's go to the downside. Only gonna take puts below when a gap is filled. So from here, take $1.40. Let's see. So, oh, Yeah. Okay. I think these are pretty decent price targets. We are going to see what we have today. I believe we have news. No, do we have news today? So we do have PMI at 9 a.m. So we're just going to see what the market is like. Oh, market is open. Let's see how price moves. Let's look at Microsoft, TR, Amazon. Okay, Tesla. Oh, shoot, I'm still on that page. My bad. My bad, y'all. And let me check out these price targets once more. It's supposed to be $1.04. So this should be more up here. There's another gap right here that I did not notice. See? Never know. And then the price target from here would be Sorry, y'all. Just redoing my price targets because I just saw that gap. It is a small gap, so it could definitely be a rejection. Okay, I think for now we're good. I feel like I should shade this so I know that it is a gap, because sometimes it be that confuses me. Looks like price is forming bearish trends. A bearish trend right now to the downside, but the candlesticks are pretty small. I'm wondering whether I probably should have had some price targets below here. Oh my gosh, wait, y'all, I probably should have had price targets below here. Below, like at 6. Why didn't I think of that? Let's see. I think it's just too risky. That's why. I think it's too risky. But let's see what price targets would look like here. I would have had a price target here. And I would have been stopped out, exactly. That is the first price target, though. Price did wick, so I think the moment price was so close to the gap that I just thought, it'd be a bit risky to trade that, but we'll see how price behaves below that price target. Who knows? Price might zoom through. We do have PMI at 9, so I could go in for 616 puts, but I don't want to trade within. That's why you learn something new every time you trade. It is wicking at the price target, so there's a lot of wicks on the red candles. Yeah, the reason why I didn't draw any price targets that time was because of this huge gap. But price, there was still time. There was still opportunity to put price targets. I'm going in 616 puts here, 3 contracts. Probably wasn't smart. Probably should have waited for price to close below this zone. Let's watch price. honoring my so I got in here for 616 puts. 616 strike calls. Puts to the downside. We have our contracts. They were up before, but now they're down 6%. Oh, down 15%. I'm really trying to honor my stop loss of 25%. 20 to 25. I think I'm going to close soon. Contracts are down 16%, now 18. I think I'm going to exit soon. Try and honor my stop loss. Contracts are down 13%. Now they're down 8%. Closing my contracts here. I keep saying, and I think time keeps proving it again and again, for me to not trade these when prices near gaps. I could go in for calls if prices if there's a reversal. But I did honor my stop loss. See, I think I was smart to just wait till after, because if I can't even make up to 3 price targets, I don't think it was smart of me to even go in, especially if we have PMI at 9. That was another loss for the year. But we might be able to go in for some calls, but let's just look at how the market is going. I feel like I should have marked up. I became liquidity real quick. I also probably should have waited until 9 o'clock because it is PMI. I'm trying to see if, let's just see the market movement. Mondays are always weird. There's actually no great volume if we look at the buy sell indicator. Man, really starting off this month in the reds, which is kind of sad. I think I'll delete these price targets because that's a big, yeah, I definitely shouldn't have gotten in. That was a bad call. I got 10 more minutes until PMI. I'm wondering if price will drop and close this gap. On street lights on my wall, and I think I did a pretty. Just a waiting game. Waiting to see what price is gonna do. I am glad though that I got out at when at my stop loss. So proud of myself for that. I've been trying to exercise my brain into honoring my stop losses. There's really no market movement at the moment. Of course, when I say it, it completely jumps. Yeah, I should have listened to my gut about that, because I wasn't able to make, even to the upside here, I'm not able to make. If I were to look for calls, I would probably see if I could take profit right at this gap. But these are some huge gaps, y'all. Make sure I don't miss any. Okay. Honestly, I would have just not traded today if I had seen the market conditions. If I'd seen, well, I guess you live and you learn. This is kind of the first time I've traded in this sort of market where there's a gap fill in between like my price targets. Part of me is wondering whether I should create price targets above and below these points, as opposed to waiting like here. See how I put the price targets right below the end of the gap fill. I feel maybe I should have done the same for here, but because there's so much of a price difference from here, that's a $3 move. I'm thinking if price goes up to $3, will it go up? So I don't know. Judging by the looks of it, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think that makes more sense, especially when you see gaps in the market and it kind of is in between your price targets. I'm wondering if it would be valid for me to, I know this is a little, but I'm wondering if I should just be putting price targets above this gap. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. In the meantime, actually, I will do that. Let me just change these to like dotted lines, because you never know. I'll see how price reacts. So let me draw more price targets above this zone. To have PMI in 3 minutes. Okay. So 627.50. Let's do one more. Okay. Yeah, just for safety measures. Where? Okay, where's... Switch these to lines. So it's not confused with this. Yeah, PMI is in 1 minute. Let's see how price reacts. Because I would rather take puts below here. I don't know, I feel like it just might be the safest option. And calls above here. Let's see. Got 25 seconds on the clock. I believe the other price target was here. Yeah, no, let's just adjust according to the market and see how price behaves. And yes, it would be great if you know, it got in and at these prices and everything, but I genuinely feel like I should have only been interested if price goes above these zones. The market today also does not looks really choppy. I don't know. I'm glad I'm getting this on live. That way, I can understand why I'm getting in trades now and going back to it and all of that. So PMI did nothing for the market, didn't move it. It absolutely unappealing. I might just take my L. If price doesn't do anything at 9:30, then I'll sign off because I usually wait till 10:30, but I don't think I'm gonna do a live stream for 2 hours. Yeah, not much market movement going on. I think you live and you learn. You live and you learn. There are days that you don't have to trade. And I'm not sure today is one of them. I'm going to see whenever there's going to be a burst in volume. Nothing's still going on. There's literally no volume. We're just gonna wait till 9:30, and if there's nothing, then I'm just gonna head off. See what price looks like on the 5-minute. Ugh, very ugly price action on the 5-minute. Trying to figure out if I still want to put those price targets from before. But seeing as price didn't really let's see. We shall see. I don't know. We shall see. 10 more minutes before 9:30. So imagine if I stayed in. Imagine if I stayed in. Which is the Nothing much is going on. I think I'm just gonna end the live there. Price isn't really moving much, and I really don't want to spend too much on the live stream. It's already an hour, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh yeah, I didn't mention my drawdown. So turns out it was actually 28% instead of 25% my loss, and we were down $105. I took 616 puts at this zone right here and got wicked out to the upside. Let's see how many dollars it moved since then. Since clearly I became liquidity $2 later. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I guarantee you once I exit here, price is gonna start moving, but it's whatever.